Good afternoon, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2005 Ford F-350 XLT Bulletproof Super Duty. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let's take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. I'm getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos, even in the rain. You have a really good idea of what you're coming in to look at. So that's why we do these. But as you can see, it does have the rain guards, the tow mirrors, the running boards, the canopy. Of course, it's going to have the tow pack. The tow pack. Let's get inside the canopy here. Let's see what we got. Looks like bed liner. Somebody left some metal poles in there. This did just come out of the shop. It does need to get a detail, so keep that in mind. I just wanted to get it out there for everybody. Down here on tire size. Tinted windows. This is a good looking F-350. It does have the winch on the front. Get to that for you. Let's see what it has. Let's take one of these up. See what the winch size is here. It's tough to do one-handed, but it looks like that in there the best I can for you. Looks like it goes up to 12,000 pound winch. Alright, this thing to focus here. Get the inside condition and features. Obviously power windows, power locks. Has a power seat here. We'll get the condition. Sorry, this is rain there. Has that third seat in the front row, so if you need to seat 6, you're able to. Fold down armrest. Again, still needs a detail. It has a rear slider there, but otherwise no rips or tears. Let's get the features up front. It has the gauges there, as you can see. There's motion boost. There we go. Steering wheel controls there. Factory tow assist, if it'll focus for me. I do apologize. There we go. Stock stereo. AC does blow cold. 4-wheel drive there, if it'll focus. Sorry about that. The rain's really killing this here. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. Close these doors here. I think I'm going to be reaching here, folks. So, bear with me. Alright, now I do say this in my videos all the time, guys. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here the best I can. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. So I just want to get it in here. All of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so please keep that in mind. Alright, let's turn it over, see what we got. There's mileage there. Still baby miles for a diesel. The door is ajar, but as you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Stereo. Let's get these gauges in here. Alright. Let's go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. Well, hopefully this helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just give us a text or a call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.